$50,000 to $100,000 a year. Why not $1,000 a day? Why not $5,000 a day? Why not $10,000 a day? Why not $100,000 a day? Why not $1 million a day? I remember when I had my first $10,000 week, and then shortly after I made $25,000 in income in 1 week. And before that, I thought making $100,000 in a 12-month period was huge. And then I realized, is money really this easy to make? I'm like, I had this breakthrough in my mind. I'm like, is this how easy money is to make? I've been working my ass off in a 9-to-5 job on an hourly rate for years and years and years, earning $50,000, and this is how easy money is? How far can I take this? And that was my epiphany moment when I realized that money is actually really easy. It's just the structure that you're in and the value that you add to the marketplace. You've just got to solve a need that the marketplace has, or have a specialized skill that is highly paid because you're adding a lot of value. For instance, high ticket closing, where you're selling a program that's $50,000. So as a result of that, you can make $10,000 in straight income for closing that sale.